Hello, this is your gentle farmer, Edu Abibu. I am telling you, say, I'm the best consultant in town. Yes, in Chinenkamfono, but I need to talk about this. Look, any challenges that you are facing in your farm, just call me. If you are ready for my consultancy, why not? I'll make sure I'll give you the best advice you can ever get. Apart from that, if you are starting a poultry farm or you want to go into animal farming, whether pigs, whether rabbits, whether grass cutter, whether anything, so far as they are animals, just contact your gentle farmer. I would advise you, please, one of the things you need to take note on if you are going into animal farming, please budget and plan. Don't just say, I have the money, I have the resources, so I'm just going into animal farming. And please, you ask, I'm going into farming, how much do I need? That is why you need a consultant to tell you how much you need, to explain to you the advantages and disadvantages, what really goes into it. When you call me, I will charge you a little, very affordable, and I'll make a feasibility for you. I'll explain things to you. I'll give you a clear understanding. And kuku adwuma no enye all that rosy. Some person who sika share and kuku adwuma na obisa se mpacho ahin na me here. Mpacho eno ti no here consultant. Kindly like,